Sometimes, in the quiet hours of night, when the mind grows still and breath becomes the only sound, I find myself wondering what really happens when two beings who have awakened to their true nature meet. It's not the love we read about in novels, nor the desire we confuse with need. It's something softer, quieter, infinitely deeper. A meeting of awareness with awareness. Most relationships begin from a sense of lack. We approach another hoping they will complete us, believing someone out there holds the missing piece. So we cling, we expect, we demand. And it's understandable, we've been taught that happiness lives somewhere outside ourselves. But awakening changes everything. You realize no one can fill the space within you, because nothing is missing. You are already whole. Love is no longer a search for completion, but a celebration of presence. When two awakened souls meet, they don't come together to escape loneliness. They come together to share joy, not because they need each other, but because they choose each other. And that simple difference transforms everything. Such love is spacious. It breathes. There's no sense of ownership, no chains of control. Each person is free to grow, to move, to change. Like two birds flying in the same sky, not to possess the sky, but to enjoy the flight together. Silence becomes meaningful. You can sit for hours without speaking and still feel deeply connected. Because it's not words that join you. It's awareness itself, resting in its own reflection. In such a bond, conversations are like a dance, not a debate. No one needs to be right. Each listens not to reply, but to understand. Even disagreements become play, moments where consciousness explores itself through two voices. Emotions still arise, jealousy, fear, anger, but they no longer dominate. They are seen, felt, and released, like waves crossing the ocean's surface without disturbing its depth. The sky does not hold on to the storm, nor push away the sun. And if one day the paths part, there is sadness, but not devastation, because nothing was ever owned. Love was never a contract to last forever. It was a gift of presence. Its truth lives in the moment, not in time. Even in distance, connection remains. For what joined them was not body or mind, but awareness itself. Two reflections of the same consciousness, bowing to each other across the infinite. They understand that endings are not failures. Every chapter is sacred, each encounter a teacher. The beauty of awakened love is that it asks for nothing, and in asking for nothing, it gives everything. Such souls radiate peace. People feel it when they are near. Their presence is calm but alive, quiet yet powerful, like light filtering through water. They change the room without a word. They do not lose themselves in each other. Each keeps their own song and together they create harmony, like two instruments tuned to the same note, resonating, amplifying beauty without domination. In awakened love, there are no games, no roles, no power struggles. Both have stepped out of the cycle of mine and yours. They see the relationship not as possession, but as a flow, life expressing itself through two forms. Even the simplest moments, washing dishes, driving together, sharing tea in silence, become sacred, because they are fully there, fully alive, seeing the divine in the ordinary. When love is free from need, the body itself becomes a prayer. Touch is not escape, it is communion. Every breath, every glance, a reminder that life is meeting itself in another form. And perhaps that is the secret. When two awakened souls meet, it is not really two. It is consciousness recognizing itself. The ocean looking at its own reflection in a drop. Love finally seeing that there were never two at all, only one, remembering itself through the eyes of another.